All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're tackling tiger hygiene,
Ooh.
which honestly I never really thought about before.
Yeah.
But it's fascinating stuff.
Yeah.
We found this YouTube short from Skew, Unique Fact,
Okay.
and it really digs into how tricky it can be to keep these big cats clean.
Yeah. It's funny when you think about it, like you see these majestic creatures lounging around, all
Stop it.
powerful and intimidating,
Yeah.
and then it hits you. They hate water.
It really is ironic, especially since you think of tigers
Right.
hanging out near rivers and lakes.
Exactly. Like you'd think they'd be right at home in the water.
Exactly. So how do zookeepers even begin to handle bath time?
Right. It's a real head scratcher. I mean,
Yeah.
you can't just toss a tiger in the tub like a house cat.
No, absolutely not.
And keeping them clean is super important, to prevent skin infections and parasites, all that.
Oh, for sure.
So the video we watched,
Yeah.
it actually shows this really clever method.
Yeah.
Zookeepers basically trick the tiger
Okay.
into a pool by using meat.
Wait, really?
Yeah. They just toss in some tasty chunks and boom, tiger takes the bait.
That's wild.
Yeah.
So they're basically using the tiger's instincts against it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like turning their love of a good meal into a sneaky bath time.
I love it.
Mm.
It makes you wonder if they could use this kind of approach
Uh-huh.
for other stuff too, like with tiger care in general.
Oh, absolutely.
Wow.
I mean, think about it. Understanding how tigers naturally behave,
Mm-hmm.
that's the key to managing them successfully,
Right.
whether it's in a zoo or out in the wild.
Makes sense.
So, yeah, if you work with their instincts,
Yep.
you can keep stress levels down
Okay.
and potentially make other procedures.
Like what?
Oh, like vaccinations or health checks.
Okay.
A little less stressful for everyone involved.
So it's not just about forcing them into something.
Nope.
It's about strategy.
It's about working smarter, not harder.
I like that. So it's
Yeah.
all about knowing how to work with their nature. It's not against it?
Yeah.
Are there other examples of this with other animals?
Oh, tons. Think about animal trainers.
Okay.
You know how they use positive reinforcement, giving rewards for good behavior?
Right.
It's all about understanding the animal's perspective
Okay.
and then finding creative ways to get the results you want.
That's really cool. So basically, to take care of these amazing creatures,
Yeah.
we need to understand their natural behaviors
Exactly.
and find ways to work with them.
Bingo. It's about making things easier and less stressful for everyone.
That makes a lot of sense.
That brings up a question.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
What other creative strategies could we use to care for animals who have needs that seem kind of contradictory?
That's a good question.
Like, how can we use what we know about animal behavior
Yeah.
to make sure they're doing well,
Right.
both in captivity and in the wild? Something to think about.
It really is. All right, everybody. That is another deep dive in the books. We'll catch you next time.